In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a text section in GoDaddy Website Builder. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. Once you are signed in, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website that you want to edit. This will take you to the management area for your site. Next, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. When the editor loads, go to the page where you want to add the new text section. Make sure you are on the correct page before you continue, since the section will be added exactly where you place it. Now scroll through the page until you reach the location where you want the new section to appear. Between your existing sections, you will see an Add Section button. Click that button to open the section library. In the section library, browse the available categories and look for content or the text-based section category that is available in your version of the editor. Once you find it, review the layout options and choose the text section design that best fits your page. After selecting the layout, click Add to insert the text section into your page. The new section will appear in the spot you selected, and you can begin editing it right away. Click inside the heading area and type the title you want to display. Then click inside the body text area and enter the main content for that section. Keep your text clear and organized so it matches the rest of your website. Once your content is in place, use the available formatting tools to customize the text. Depending on the editor options, you may be able to adjust things like font style, alignment, emphasis, or spacing. Make any changes you need so the section looks clean and professional. After that, review the entire text section carefully. Check for typing errors, make sure the layout looks balanced, and confirm that the text appears the way you want it to. If needed, update the content or formatting before moving on. When you are satisfied with the section, click Preview to see how it will look on your live website. This gives you a chance to confirm that everything displays properly on the page. Finally, click Publish to make the new text section live on your website. Your changes will now be visible to visitors. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.